Kenya is Voice for Humanity Uganda, has chosen to protect me, has accepted to care for me.
Voice of Humanity Uganda, Riongetelo Jokota Okiswama Yodisutalo Katakwi, Yeskopana Ainyakun, Amuno Nejaasi Idwe lu ejateka ekurlo Eseny Kosomero Kalo Omoro Angora Primary School Kotem Kalo Palam Kodisuta Kalo Katakwi. David Elungata Ngesi Erai lo epolo kite Riongetelo Obu Olimo Kilu Yemuto Ebe Obu Ngesi Owany Iponelo Itanyi Kitotori Ipajan Idwe lu Ichan Ibore Ejaikini Ngesi Ebunika Riongetelo Kanu
who are positively living and who are living at home, who are disabled, are so massive and they are helpless. Some of them are actually dropped out of school. Unfortunately, the mother also passes on, and they have been living with a grandmother who unfortunately has been using very bitter statements on these children, describing them as corpses. They can't waste their time on them. At one point, they were even chased, and we looked at a way of renting for them a house.
Takitelo ngata ebe opotu kesi osekutu aswamka yasomero omoro angora kutupitete atokisho nu torite somero ngoni kede sishakalu jateka adekana Eseny
abwado lokiti somero lwe yata kina anio katakwi konya dolengo somero ngon obu edi teacher o Mike ngationi sina Nejaasi kede Idwe no ilu Nejaasi kede Eseny amama pedorete mamete tabo ya mamete uniform amame ponelo I touch even a feeding fees. So apo tudosa alomo to kwa organization bidwengun iangari doso ai ngarakit
apologito ne somerolo amoro ngora primary school Florence Anyasu ngesi apupi apipilo na polo noi kotupitete ejautenelo Idwe kalu
era iborene ene pipili noi awanyonbe enamba lidwe ngun mamera ikisimun bon Nejaasi Idwe Lwera supposed to viche have dropped out completely. Sajayenga maun awanyengo be. Nejaasi Idwe ngun adoketait na mama jokuna.
Abalanya so ebe itia kotoma edara ikokyokolu kesi edautos anyamia Idwe lu sek.
So abudanga wanyebe eje pod lo aingarakini Idwe. Akerata guardians. Atiche paka dautosa kola inyama kedi Idwe lu. I benefits ke auri akakeche ara ibia ikwangin Idwe liche iyatkina iwongo no ngunu aya ubere Voice for Humanity Uganda kesbera anyunet
ichora ka auri aka aidar Idwe lu ejarete ka adekana Eseny kan elipita anyaso
asomangini swamkere itejo ngesi bore ngipengini akotonga ilimonu no ilu atutu ijoda lo state tamata tona kolonga lomar ojala ine kale konaidar Nyes dum na jobe ibun jangi ni letletor emine kilo etabune remero bongo ni kekoko na remoto tutumale jeni emera tutache paka do rot koto auriaka awani nede Idwe lu idarete joko
patch irengeta lukojo kotao kisoma ito district alo Katakwi kesi opotu ikumauti kotupitete ipone lokopana ejalator adekana Eseny no kotoma tumuna keda enamba ledoli ikany ichunya kiare kotoma kwatat Kanuka TV East Francis Ochen Kodisuta Kalo Katakwi.